This short video shows the correct way to update some project details. Let's start with the project name, which we can see here, the project name. Now, how do we update that? So from Deep Space Explorer, let's go Admin Console. And if we are the primary contact, we'll be able to see the account here. And this is the supported way to change the project name. So let's change the project name here. And hit save. And essentially the system updates the project name across all platforms and emails you. And when we click home, we can see the project name has been updated immediately. So let's now look at some other details here. We have project summary. So the supported way to update things like our project identifier is via the project summary. So let's edit that. And we're going to set a new project identifier here. We'll choose an appropriate sector, the client, the contract type, and you put in the project details and hit update. So we can see that information is updated here. Let's have a quick look at DS command. So what we can see here is the same entry in DS command has the project name automatically updated, the project identifier automatically updated, and that's working well. Now let's look at updating the project address. If we update the project address, essentially the address we put in here becomes stored, and Google Maps searches for that location. So if we do something like 1 Denison, Sydney, and go update. So firstly, we see the address here. We also see an appropriate search on the map view here. And if we were to reload the page in DS command, we'd see the address update here. Let's do a project status update now. So we're going to edit the project status. We're going to choose an appropriate stage, whether it's on track or not, a due date, and a percentage complete, as well as a short note. And we're going to hit update. So we can see the information is updated immediately here in the project status. And in DS command, if we reload that, we can see the project stage here has also been updated. Now what's going on in the background is that whenever we make an edit here, those edits are actually logged. And two things happen. They're saved into Deep Space, the edit that we've made, and logged historically, and also we are emailed based on those updates if something has happened in that environment. So emails like this: project details updated, project status updated, and project name updated. So that's the supported ways of editing here. Now notice the primary contact here. If we want to change the primary contact, the appropriate way of doing that is going into our admin console. There can only be one primary contact currently supported in Deep Space. If we